In this video, I will show 5 times saving macOS shortcuts. Shortcuts save a very good amount of time in the long run, especially when you are using a device most of the time of your day. In this page you will get all the shortcuts for macOS, but I will discuss only 5 which I found most useful. So let's get started. Our first command is the Command tab to switch between opened apps. Press and hold the Command key, and then press the Tab key. You can now switch between the apps by Tab key. I am switching to the Terminal app. Now I am switching back to the Chrome app. So press and hold Command and Tab between apps. Our next command is Command W to close an app. I am into this Skype app now, and of course I can close it by clicking the cross icon. But Command W can do the same magic like this. Let's switch to the Terminal app by Command Tab. Then close this Terminal app by Command W. Next thing we will see, how to open an app which is not in this dock. One way is to go to Launchpad and then search for the app. Better way is to open this Launchpad by shortcut F4 or Fn plus F4. Top row in the keyboard has the function keys, but its behavior depends on the settings. Go to System Preference, then Keyboard. This check decides if F1, F2, etc. will be used as standard keys. If checked, that means the other symbol printed on those keys will be activated with the Fn key. I will use Command W to close this system preference. To open the Launchpad I will use Fn and then F4, it will be only F4 if you do not use top row keys as standard keys. Then search for the app you want to open. I want to open Audacity, the audio editing software. You can select the app you want with arrow keys and then press Enter. It may seem like a very small adjustment to open the app, but it is a very handy technique while you are typing. Back and forth in keyboard and mouse or trackpad actually waste lots of time in the long run. Next shortcut is Command tilde. This shortcut allows you to switch between multiple windows of the same app. To demonstrate, I will make another window from this Chrome tab. Now this BBC News is in another Chrome window. I cannot go back to the other Chrome window using the Command tab. If I click the Chrome app icon in the dock, it stays in the same window. To go to the other window press Command tilde. Now I can switch between Chrome windows by Command tilde. We are into the last shortcut. It is about how to rename a file or directory in Finder. Select the file you want to rename through Tab or click. Then just press Enter in the keyboard and you can rename the file. So that was the 5 shortcuts in practice to be more effective. I had share only 5 shortcuts as you can practice those immediately. If I had gone through all the Mac shortcuts, you would just watch and forget. So practice this 5 now, and let me know in comments how many of these you already knew. Thanks for watching this video, and I will post another video with more shortcuts soon.